Hey YouTube, what's up? I Network here. In today's tutorial, I will be giving you guys a review on a recently updated Twitter client called MicroTwit, and in some ways, it's an alternative to TweetDeck. So just take a look here. As you see, it's it's kind of like an alternative to TweetDeck, but the columns and how they're organized. But then again, it isn't because it has its own styles and it has some it's basically made to work with Windows 7 and its arrow features. So as you see, there's a new look to it. Well, to this Twitter client, MicroTwit, and it looks stylish. It looks very stylish, and I thought, wow. When I first opened this, I thought it was amazing. So this is my review on it. So basically, you have your friends column, your mentions, on your direct messages. Those are the three default columns that you get when you first install it, and I just decided to keep them. And you know, this is basically normal. You can favorite a tweet here, and here's the tweet itself with the person's icon. In this case, I'm hovering over Matthew Savia, and this is his tweet. Now, normally when you roll your mouse over their icon, you get the option to reply, retweet, or direct message a person. As you see, with a small amount of space, they did made these icons so that they're very space friendly, and they do look stylish. So if I reply to him, I can retweet it. And when you want to retweet something, so let's say I'll retweet this from Pediatext, retweet the whole client will go white. You have the option to retweet it, edit the tweet, or cancel. I'm gonna cancel it, but it just basically retweets. Now here you have your text area where you do enter your tweet. You don't have to click anything for it to appear. So I can type test tweet, and you see as I type, you have the big number indicator on how many characters you have left to tweet, and the big tweet button, and I'm gonna send that out. Alright, you also have your option to add a column here, your list. You can always refresh it. So you have the option to search Twitter, user profile, and Twitter trends. Now I am gonna just be showing you guys real quick the settings. When you open up the settings, you do have a little stylish input, I guess, and you can search for updates and see where it can be minimized. And when you choose minimize, you basically have the option to put it in your notifications area or your taskbar. And the reason I kept it in my taskbar is because if you have any type of updates, they do show, and this is where the Windows 7 integration comes in. You do show how many notifications that you have missed. Maybe somebody tweeted your name or retweeted something, and they show up right here next to the icon. And you do have the option to refresh straight from the preview box, which is interesting. You do have your basic light theme and dark theme. I chose a dark theme because I like, darker stuff. Theme accent, and this also works with the Windows 7 arrow. As you see, arrow glass color selected, display options, tweet layout options, etc. Your account, your alerts, and you do have a lot of settings here, but just basically notification alerts and notification sounds. And you have options for the taskbar notification thing right here and whatnot. Services, basically here's where you choose your API rate and your URL shortener, your URL previewer, and your uploading image website. Just click save changes, and you resize the whole client right here in the bottom right corner. So, it's really interesting how stylish this Twitter application is, well, desktop client, and how it packs a punch. And what I'm trying to say by that is, you can get so much out of this in a stylish way. So it's really cool. I like it. I will be having this as my main Twitter client, and that's really it. So, well, just one thing I wanted to add: when you do get a notification, it'll be a little notification window down here. And one thing that you'll notice is, let me see real fast. You see this bar at the top moving? That's like a little timeline, and shows how many seconds you have until the notification disappears or until the refresh is done. And you'll notice that a lot, and it's really cool when you get used to it. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching my review on MetroTwit. Go ahead and download it. I have the link in the description, and peace.